Have you noticed a really low flame in your gas grill where it's only getting to about 200 to 250 degrees? And the last time you used it, it worked fine? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the most probable cause for why it's happening. Now, there's two reasons this is happening. You either have a gas leak somewhere in the system, or you didn't properly start your gas grill last time. Now, the problem is going to be right in here, this safety valve. It probably detected a leak or a loss of gas, and now it's only allowing about 25% of the gas through it. Now, how did this happen? Most likely, people will turn on their burners. They go to light the grill and it doesn't light, and they're like, oh, I forgot to turn on my tank. So now they open up the valve to the tank, and now what happens is that safety valve thinks that there's a leak because you're already flowing gas through the burners, so there's no back pressure. So it triggers the safety valve and doesn't allow the gas through. Now, if you constantly turn on and off your propane tank, the way to start your grill is you're going to open the valve first, wait about 2-3 seconds, then turn on your burners, then light your grill. If you turn on the burners first, then the grill tank, it's going to go into bypass safety mode and it's going to shut down your gas flow. So now you need to know how to reset your safety valve. You're going to close your propane tank. You're going to loosen this hose all the way. Take it all the way off. I just like to shake it around a little bit, tap it a couple times on my hand, and then reinstall it to your propane tank. Make sure it's tight. This thing needs to be extremely tight. If you have any gas leaks at all, it's just going to go right back into bypass safety mode. Now you're going to turn on your valve. Now that the propane tank valve is on, you can go ahead and light your burner, and you'll be back to normal operating. And that's all there is to it. So there's only two things that would have caused this, and that's a leak somewhere in your system, or you turned your burner valves on, then your propane tank, causing that bypass safety valve to kick on, reducing your gas. So you should be back in shape. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.